Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. So in last video, I explained how to download the protein structure and the chemical compound structure from different databases. Like in case of protein structure, we downloaded them from the protein database, and for the chemical compound structure, we use different chemical database. So these structures are available in different file formats, like protein data bank format, ISDA, mold format, mold2, or several other formats are also there. And in this video, I'm going to explain what is actually a protein data bank format. What kind of informations are saved in a PDB file compound?
So,
this is a structure of a small chemical compound, and it's present in protein database format. Now, I am opening this in a visualization software, and I am using BioInformaticians Discovery Studio for visualization. You know, this 3D structure can be visualized in different visualization software like BioInformaticians Discovery Studio, Cryomera, or Bable. You can see the structural file format is PD. We can also open it in Notepad to see what kind of data are present in this file format. So I am opening it in Notepad.
okay. So,
This is the information which are present in the PDB file format. And these information can be visualized visualization software. You see, there are numbers of different atoms like carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. You can also view these in the viewing panel or by via discovery. Same information are there. Numbering of carbon, carbon 1, carbon 4, carbon 3, carbon, and carbon then. Carbon 11, and then in nowhere 12 position, nitrogen is there. And you can see the coordinates, 3D coordinates, that means X, Y, and Z value. X, Y, and Z coordinates of the No1 carbon. This is the Nowhere 1 carbon. Nowhere 1 carbon. No 2 carbon. No 3 carbon. Nowhere 4 carbon. So, the coordinates of each atom, which are present in this PDB file format, are present in this protein data bank. These are the simply coordinates. So these coordinates actually explain the position of each atom,
office,
a ligand structure in three-dimensional space.
that's all.
Similarly, in other file formats, the coordinates are also there. But different formats have different extra features. Like in case of ANC email, we can save email in different file format like PNG, or JPG, or BMP, or even in PDF. So they are same image, but they are saved in different file format because different file format have different feature. Similarly, we can save the structural information, the 3D coordinates of each atom in different file format in GF or in PDD, or in mol or mol2. If the structural file format is 2D, then only X and Y coordinates will be present.
And
When these coordinates are present, then the connection between the atoms are also present. The information about the connection between the atoms are also present. Visualization software read these information and then position these different atoms in 3D space, and through connection, they actually determine the structure of a clinical compound or protein molecule. We can also convert with different file format from one format to another, like from MOL to PDB or PDB to AD. And there is a very good software for that purpose, that is Open Babel, and this is the logo of Open Babel software. You can download this software from the web. For that, type in Google Open Babel. So you can download the Open Babel software from this link. Okay. It's available for Windows, Mac, or Linux. This is a GUI version, that means graphical user interface. And also command line interface are also there. So in this video, we'll convert different file format using the Open Babel GUI and also through command line. Okay. Operating system of my laptop is Windows, and this is the Open Babel GUI. I can open it.
It's opening. So
You can see this are the input format, and this is the output format. So I am opening a PD file as input.
so
We have to change here into PDB. So I am using a PDB file for conversion. Now we have to upload a PDB file. For that, click here and navigate where the PDB file is present. This is the ligand. It is present in PDB format. I'm opening it. So now the PDB format for the ligand is now opened. And I want its output mol2. So I'm selecting here mol2. And several other options are there. We can add hydrogen molecules. We can make it explicit.
or
From 2D format to 3D format, a structure can be converted. So we can also delete hydrogen, add several other options are there. I am here simply converting from PDB to model. Now we have to define the location where the file will be saved. So I am saving it in desktop, or we have to give a name of the output file. So I am giving it liga2, and we have to also add one extension that meets mol2. Okay, now saved. Now I'm converting it from PDD to mol2. Now we can see some data appeared here, and in this location, that means in texted, the ligand2.mor2 has been said. We can see here the ligand2 is fit, and we can also open it in visualization software. Visualization multi-format also can be visualized in visualization software.
so now
I have converted from PDB to Liga. So here we can convert one by one. That means one structure attitude. Using the graphical user interface, and we can also convert the structure in batch mode. But for that we have to use mainline interface. That finichem command line. If any chemical structure is not available in the chemical compound database, or simply if you want to synthesize a new chemical compound, then the structure can be sketched in different sketching software. Like, you can sketch the chemical compound structure in Marvin Sketch, and for that simply type in Google Marvin Sketch. The Marvin sketching software is designed by the chemists, and you can simply try it from this link. Try it for free, or you can download this software from this website or you can get trial light. So I am simply using its trial version in V, and we can draw the chemical compound structure.
So
I'm drawing a random chemical compound structure. Now, I am saving this structure in smile format. And the format can be selected from this list. So you can see this is the smile format. It's a two-dimensional structural format. I'm copying it, and simply, in Open Babel, I can convert it into 3D structure. So in Open Babel, I have selected a smile as input format. Okay, and I'm pasting here the smile format, which I have pasted. And now I want to convert it into 3D format. Because it is a 2D structural file format, we have to add 3D coordinate. Okay, so we have to select this option, generate 3D coordinate. And then we have to select the location where the file will be saved, and selecting it desktop and giving a name, ph.pd. Now I'm converting it. File has been saved here. Yes, I'm opening it in By Far Record Studio.
you can see.
This is the structure, which I have care, this getting software. Now I'm going to use a command line interface of Open Babel to convert multiple league and file in a single code. So I'm going to introduce you the 3 important women. Okay,
So
these are the commands which I am going to use for conversion of the structural file format. Do you see? In this folder, we have 10 structural file format of league molecule. And I will try to convert this structural file format, 10 file format, in a first single file format. So first of all, I have to see that path of that folder. The path of the folder at C user, my PP desktop and tutorial, I'm copying it. And this path will be used in the command line interface. The first select command prompt of Windows
and
change directory for that type CD that is change directory to the tutorial and then enter. When I enter, now this command line interface detect the location of the structural file format. You know, these structures are present in tutorial folder. Okay, now I'm going to use the command. Command is, first I'm calling Open Babel, capital O, Babel. That means I'm calling Open Babel to call fart the structural file comment. Then
star
space dot mol2. That means all files, structural files with mol2 extension will be used as input. Then as output, I pen capital output and type a given name for her new file. So it's new, and I want to convert it into PD. Then extension PD should be given, and then enter. You can see 10 molecules has been converted. And in this location, you can see a new file has been generated that is new.pdd. It contains the information of all 10 ligand. Okay.
now.
I'm going to show you how to split a single ligand file into multiple file. So we have already with us this file, which contain 10 structure in a single file and put in database format. And now I will try to split the file into 10 different structural file. Okay. So we are already in this folder the tutorial folder, and now I am going to use the common first. Bable, I am calling the Open Bubble.
And then
Name of the input file here, the name of the input file is new.vdb. And then, as output,
hyphen
capital O, output, we have to give the name of the new structural file. So, structure star dot, I want to save it in SD format. So as extension, I'm adding arrays, then enter. So you can see Open Babel is splitting the new file into plain structural file. So now we have obtained and output file.
Okay.
You can see here, this new .pdb file has been split into 10 different Axure file, ASTA format. Okay. Now, finally, I am going to show you how to convert multiple file into multiple other formats in a single. That means conversion in bad mood. In tutorial folder, we can see 10 structures are there in multi-format, and I want to convert this structure into PDB format in a single go. So in command prompt, we are already in the tutorial folder, and this is the command 0 Bable. Star, space, not, mul2. That means all the structural file with multiple extension will be selected, and then output OTB, OPDB, and hyphen in, or multiples. So you can see 10 molecules have been converted. Now, in structure, PDB extensions are turned. So we have converted 10 module structure into 10 TDD file formats.
So
That's how you can use Open Babel for different purpose. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you.